Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Instahaler P. Prepare by washing hands and inspecting the device, then load the capsule per manufacturer instructions and close the chamber securely. Hold the device upright, keep a steady breath, and place the mouthpiece between your lips to form a seal. Exhale gently away, inhale deeply to disperse medication, hold your breath briefly, and then breathe out slowly. Start by opening the device and confirming the capsule is intact and correctly positioned in the chamber. Keep the Instahaler P upright and handle the capsule by its edges to avoid contamination. Close and lock the chamber, making sure it sits flush, then shake gently if recommended and check for any cracks or residue before moving to the inhalation step. Exhale fully away from the mouthpiece, then seal your lips around it to create a tight fit and avoid air leaks. Inhale steadily and deeply to ensure the powder is carried into your lungs and disperse the medication effectively. Remove the device, hold your breath for a few seconds to allow deposition, then exhale slowly, and if a second dose is needed, repeat the process exactly as in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.